Here is a Lasko 20-inch Power Plus box fan in all black. Here's the box with the information. Fan looks like what you see on the box over here. It's kind of an oddball though, in that it doesn't really look like the Power Plus box fan that I'm used to seeing, and I'm sure everybody else who has seen the Power Plus box fans is used to seeing. There's a few differences with this one. First of all, it's all black. The only other Power Plus box fan I've seen is the gray model, which also has a different badge and a different handle and speed selector switch. This has the weather shield speed selector and handle, which is different. This is essentially a blacked out weather shield box fan, as far as I could tell. Even the feet are different. The usual Power Plus box fan would have thicker, like more substantial feet on it. I'm pretty sure that these are the same feet that comes on the Cool Colors box fan. And the feet were still molded together on this. This fan was brand new in the box when I got it. Although it's a few years old. I got it from one of those, I guess it's like a, what do you call it? It's like a discount place where they have like liquidation sale stuff and like scratch and dent discounted tools and hardware and stuff like that. But yeah, I saw this fan and thought I'd never seen that before, and I must have it. So that's how I ended up with it. So let's check out the information. It is a few years old, though. What does this say? It's the 2021 to 22 model. And it's in pretty good shape, although when I did open it, the cabinet here was bulged out a little bit on the bottom, and I had to kind of hammer this back in and flatten it out enough to get the foot to slide in there properly. And you probably can't tell unless you're really looking for it, but the top of the cabinet here is a little dinged in there. But not too bad. I'm pretty pleased though that the guards are actually flush with the cabinet. I'm kind of blown away by that. That's really nice to see. And it does have the blue plug. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to start it on low speed. So far, so good. The balance seems near perfect. I guess we'll do some velocity testing on this. So we're in the 700s feet per minute. We'll go to speed 2 now. Feet per minute, go high. pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. Fan even sounds good. Sounds a lot better than the standard box fan, the one with the square grills. It's a lot quieter, and it just sounds like, especially like on low speed, it just has more of a growl to it. It just sounds way better. This fan is actually in balance. It doesn't shake or rattle or anything, and it moves a lot of air. I mean, it was peaking up around 1100 feet per minute for velocity, which is right on par, I guess, with the other Weather Shields, Power Plus, Pro Power box fans that I've tested. It's right in line with those. Pretty comparable, I think, to the standard Power Plus box fan. These are good fans, the Power Plus Weather Shields et al. Pretty good value. They move a lot of air, and you know, if you can get past the usual scratch and dent kind of stuff that's kind of standard with these, which I blame more on the Transit than I do the manufacturing. It just seems like these fans always come with some kind of ding or something weird with the grill, or what, you know. Anybody who's ever bought a Lasko box fan knows what I'm talking about. But generally speaking, I think they're a pretty good value, good performers. They last a long time, and I'm happy with it. It's a keeper. It's going to stay in my collection for a long time. Pretty cool stuff. Lasko Power Plus in all black. Thank you for watching.